Guys, welcome to Markets Today with Yogeshwar. And the first thing that comes in the mind of the traders when they do intraday swing a portfolio is what is expensive and what is cheap here. So let's start two trades I have in mind. One is Reliance Industries and Infosys, which where I see that the stocks are expensive. And another is Yes Bank, and we can also look at PC Jewelers to see if there are buying opportunities in them. But first, let's go and have a look at the index, how the index is, and how is the trading going on in index. As you note, I've already booked some good profits into the last few days, and this is another trade that is going on. So that's the market. And if I look at the overextensions of this market, I have told that the market has gone above its yearly trends, pretty expensive. And now it is very normal and natural that it is some profit booking is coming. And we are seeing yesterday was a very typical day. Market opened almost 80% plus, 80 points plus, and then from there the market went down almost 110 points. And today also the downtrend is continuing into this market, and this is the average yearly trend line that we are seeing here. So, and there are few gaps that this market has left on the way up. This is one. Okay, this one it has filled today. This one is filled today. And if you see, this one is another gap it left on the way up. And another one that it left on the way up is this and this. So on the way down, the market has a habit of filling the gaps that it created while it was moving up. So let's see if Nifty does that. Today, I'm trading mostly the indices. I also did some trading in Infosys. So this is the trade going on now. I booked about 5,400 rupees. And now this is a trade in the index going on where I'm making about 3,000 rupees, and we see the downtrend is continuing in this. So let me manage this trade before I go further. So here if I look at the Nifty, and this is the Nifty of October that I have. So this is October Nifty, which is correcting down. So it has already fallen down, and it is, if for those who know some technicals, you will see it is coming down towards a double bottom. So never allow a profit to turn into a loss, and never have a trade without a stop loss. This was my stop loss in this, and I'm booking this profit now. So I'm finishing my day with 7,900 rupees of profit. As you saw in the video yesterday, it was about a 17,000 rupees of profit. Other account, I have some option strategies going on which will give me money no matter which direction the market will go. Okay, and then here, so it's a nice few days as the market is going down. Let's look at three stocks in particular. One is Reliance Industries. Now, Reliance is everybody's favorite. And if I'm looking at Reliance Industries, we have seen in Reliance Industries also, if you note, a few days back, I booked very good profits in Reliance Industries. And here it is traveling down, taking a support at this Fibonacci level. And if it breaks this, there is a further downside in this. I was reading somewhere that there is one agency in particular which has downgraded Reliance Industries to an underperformer, and it can go down. And that's what Reliance is doing, moving down, forming a flag pattern right now, which is a continuation pattern. And this can be a very healthy correction for Reliance Industries till about 1134. So in the coming days in Reliance Industries, I'll be looking for opportunities to sell. Then another stock that is worth looking at is Yes Bank. Yes Bank is a fundamentally good stock, and it has corrected substantially. And you see, Yes Bank is coming towards its yearly trends. It has almost come down and touched it now, and it is this level that it is facing a resistance on the upward side. And if it jumps up here, you see there is a gap it has at about 360 that it might go up and fill. But remember, it was here for a long time. So if it breaks this, it can go further down. So next 2-3 days would be a wait and watch in the Yes Bank to see what direction does it move. And another stock a lot of traders ask me is PC Jeweler. I always say about PC Jeweler these days, this is a stock with good fundamentals and bad image. And the image is as important as fundamentals. So sooner or later, you will find some good opportunities in this. But for the moment, it is the image of the stock that is really, really bad. Another stock which is having problem is Jet Airways. And Jet has been falling, and the financials have not improved. So till the time the financials don't improve, you know, I won't be very surprised if it keeps on sliding down, down, and down. Uh, if I look at Bank Nifty before closing, let's look at Bank Nifty. A lot of traders trade Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is actually weaker than Nifty today. Nifty is 0.3% down, but Bank Nifty is almost, 1% down. And we see it was always weaker than the index. And on the way up, this one has also left gaps. This one has also left gaps. So on a deeper correction, these can be the levels. But as the market goes down, it will also give buying opportunities. So look at stocks that are oversold. They will give you buying opportunities. Like Yes Bank is a fundamentally good stock, and if an uptrend established, you can get some upside into this. But as the market is correcting, going down, so I would be a little careful on my position. So trade with caution. Expensive market now correcting, profit booking coming into the market. Profit booking is always healthy for the market. And remember, this market can be traded in both the directions. As the market is going down, the put options are already giving you money. And as you can see, today in this same market as it is going down, I've already booked a profit of 8,000 rupees, and I still have about 1.5 hours of trading left. So this was the market today with Yogeshwar, and I'll try to put regular, updates on this one. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get right into your mailbox what is new on the channel. Bye bye and see you soon.